Let's learn how to mute to silence an app on an iPhone. If notifications from certain apps are disturbing you while you're doing something else on your phone, but you don't know how to mute that app, you don't have to worry anymore. Because after watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app. When you've opened Settings, you'll be on a page with many options. From all these options, you need to click on the one named Focus, which has a moon symbol next to its name. When you click on that option, a page with more options will open. You need to click on the plus sign in the upper right corner of the screen. When you click on that plus sign, a page with more choices will open. But you need to select Custom, which is the first choice on the list. After clicking on that, you need to click on the option Name and enter a name for that focus mode. For example, I'll name it Work, but you can name it whatever you want. After naming it, you need to choose a color for the icon, and as you can see, you have some color suggestions. After selecting the color, the next thing you need to choose is the icon. Once you have chosen everything, you need to click on the blue Next button at the bottom of the screen. Now a page with several options will open. You need to click on the Apps option. When you click on that, a page with some apps will open, and next to them you will see a minus sign. But to proceed, you must ensure that the Allow Notifications from option is selected. Now, when you see that minus sign, you need to click on it next to the apps from which you don't want to receive notifications while in work mode. For example, I'll click the minus sign next to Gmail and Instagram. Now you need to click on the Work Focus option in the upper left corner of the screen. Then, next to the Apps option, you will also see the People option. For example, if you have left some apps, when you click on the People option, you can select from which people you want to receive notifications and from whom you don't. So click on that, and select from whom you want notifications and from whom you don't. Now you need to close the Settings app. To turn on your focus mode, you need to open the Control Center. When you do that, you need to hold your finger on the Focus option. When you do that, a menu with several options will open. You need to select the focus mode you just created, and that's it. Now when you are in that mode, you won't receive notifications from that app. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.